going to show you how to do a new rub rail for the front of Canoe. Alright. And show you how to make another one. Plywood cutout of the shape I need. Got two clamps, this one and this one. And a piece of wood that's been in the kitchen sink for a couple hours. Okay, it's in the microwave. A little dirty. 20 seconds. Okay, it's in there for 20 seconds, nice and hot. Okay, here we go. Clamp it on one side. Nice and tight. And just bend it right around. Clamp on the other side. There you go. Hold on a second, let me show you the edge here. No cracks, nothing. Beautiful.